To open the fridge, locate the release button on the top right of the door. Push in and pull. When closing, push until you hear it click back into place. Depending on what power source you will be using will determine how to turn on the fridge. If you're on mains hookup, turn the dial on the left to the electric symbol. If you don't have mains hookup, turn the dial round to the gas flame symbol. Then turn the temperature selector dial clockwise and push. Keep the controller button depressed and then press the igniter knob down and keep it depressed also. The ignition process is then activated automatically. Once the flame ignites, the pointer on the gauge on the right will move into the green range. Keep them depressed for approximately 10 seconds and release. Once your preferred power source is selected, the fridge will take about 3 to 4 hours to get down to temperature. Before driving, switch the power source dial to the battery option. Once the engine is running, a current will then be supplied directly from the alternator, which will maintain the temperature of the fridge whilst on the move. To turn off the fridge, turn the power source dial anti-clockwise back to the top.